How to join Displate Club. Really easy and simple. So, all you need to do is come here at the top right and click on this club icon, okay? And when you do purchase this, you get a lot of perks. For example, you do get free shipping, okay? And they do give you new displays. So, in the 12th month of joining Displate Club, you'll get a voucher for your new displays, okay, which will be equal to the value of your order that will be placed at the time of joining, okay? And as well to that, you will also get early access to some limited editions, some permanent discounts on all purchases, right? Tools to create displays from your own photos, and you will also be able to keep your displays without a scratch, okay? They'll give you a storage sleeve. Now, to join this, first you need to add some displays you would like to your card. As you can see right now, my card is empty. I'll have to add some stuff here. Then you can join the Displate Club and buy your displays. So I'm here on the homepage. Let's add some displays to my card. This one looks, oh wow, this one has really taken my, okay, we're going for this one. Really caught my attention. So if you're happy with this, you can choose a frame. If you add a frame, you can do that. You can choose the, size, of course, and the product type. I do like matte and I also like gloss as well. I'll stick to matte for now. And now you just want to go ahead and add this to your card, as you can see right here. Now it is in my cart. There's a bunch of payment options, as you can see. They even have Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal. Of course, your cards are also there, right? And now we're waiting for it to be added to my card, as you can see. So let's go ahead and see my card right here, if it has been added. As you can see, here we go. We have added the display to my card. And all you need to do now here is click on a join display, okay? It's only about $3.29 a month. You just want to toggle this option on, and then you want to go ahead and click on checkout, okay? So go ahead and do this, scroll down, check here, click on this checkbox, toggle this on, and then just go ahead and check out. It's really that easy and simple.